The breakfast for the first day is preparation is a kind of bread that I didn't use any kind of flour in it, and I did not mix any kind of oil or any other things inside the ingredients of this bread. I used a kind of grain which is called split peas, and I just mixed it with water and prepared the batter. You can just prepare the batter and keep it in the fridge for up to 1 week and use it whenever you want to prepare a nice bread on the pan. The video on exactly how to make this bread is available at my channel, which I leave the link here, so you can just go and find out for yourself. It is soft just like as a flatbread, and you can enjoy it with all kinds of food. I ate this bread with my vegetable Persian patties that I prepared with some tomatoes. The video of this patties also, it's on my channel. I'll link all the videos and recipes down at the description box of the videos. For my midday snack, I just prepared coffee, which I use the fat-free milk, and for sweetener, I use coconut sugar. This is organic coconut sugar, very good and healthy. I'll leave the link in the description box of the video if you want to get yours as well. For the dinner, I had some frozen pre-cooked barley, which I did it before. So I'm going to have this one as my rice replacement for my dinner. I had this one with some cooked healthy chicken, as well as some cooked green lentils. For the breakfast, I just reheated some of my green lentils that I cooked for last night dinner, and I had it next to some fresh Roman lettuce, which is amazing. I'll leave the recipe video link at the description box of the video for this amazing green lentil. As for the midday snack, I just brewed some nice Persian tea and had it with this healthy snack, which I just prepared it and it doesn't need cooking. The link of how to make this healthy snack as well as the how to brew Persian tea, it's at the description box of the video. And for the dinner, I made some cauliflower rice as well as some Persian kebab, which is healthy and it's so delicious. The link of all these recipes is at the description box of the video. For breakfast, I just did 2 scrambled eggs and had it with some cauliflower rice from the last night. I just mixed it and I had it, which is so healthy and so delicious.
That's all for now.
For my midday snack, I had a piece of flourless and sugar-free chocolate cake that I made. The recipe is at the description box of the video. I had it with my freshly brewed tea. For the dinner, I prepared delicious mussels, which is absolutely healthy and absolutely delicious. The recipe link is at the description box of the video. For my breakfast, I just sauteed some fresh white mushrooms and mixed it with 1 egg and just had it as for my breakfast. For my midday snack, I had my freshly brewed tea with a Swiss roll cake, which is flourless and sugar-free and without any oil. And it's so delicious, which made out of walnut. The recipe is at the description box of my video. For the dinner, I just prepared some of my flourless bread, which I showed you at the beginning, with some sauteed mushroom and some cherry tomatoes and fresh avocados. And I had them with some garlic dressing. So as you see, you can have absolutely delicious and healthy meals throughout your day, and you do not need to starve in order to lose weight.